Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, it's Eva here, and today I bring you a super easy set of milky white glitter nails, and I think they are so beautiful and perfect for winter, a little bit icy and a little bit milky, and all you need is some glitter flakes and a milky white gel polish. So here are my glitter flakes. These are from Fantasy Nails Spain. And then I have two different glitter flakes, Mermaid in the Making and Arctic Wolf, and I got those from Glitter Arty Nails UK. This is my milky white gel polish. And all you need then is a base coat and a top coat, and I'm coming in with my base coat, applying an even layer on the nail tip, and then I'm just coming in with the different glitter flakes. First I put the bigger ones, these are Mermaid in the Making, and then I'm coming over the bigger flakes with the finer ones. And once the nail tip looks like this, I can pop it into the lamp for 60 seconds. And I already love the play of the different glitter pieces together. Then I'm coming in with the second layer of my base coat, and I'm repeating exactly the same step just to create a bit more depth and play of the different glitters. Pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds again. And then I'm coming in with the milky white gel polish, and I bring the milky white a little bit over the glitter flakes. But then for the last bit, I use my gradient brush to lightly float the milky white over the glitter pieces, but not covering them too much. Once it looks like this, I pop it into my lamp for 60 seconds. And as a second step, I come in with the milky white and only apply it in the middle of the nail with the brush from the bottle. And around this milky part, I go around with my gradient brush and just lightly float it in all the different directions. And this is our first nail already. Now I just need to come in with a generous amount of top coat, and especially in the tip area I need to come in with a bit more of the top coat, because otherwise I have a slight step in the nail. And this is already the first nail. Now I'm using a little bit of chrome powder for an extra effect on one of the nails. And seal that in with another layer of top coat. And this is what the nail would look like with some chrome powder. And for the third nail, I repeat all the steps that I showed you already. I'm creating two layers with the glitter flakes. Then I come in with the milky white. And for this third nail, I top coat it in matte over the milky white. And just for a bit of an extra effect, I come in with one of my detailer brushes and a little bit of light rose glitter polish, and I'm just moving around the milky white, creating a bit of a smile line here. And bit by bit I make it more visible. And just because I was having so much fun with the smile line, I come in with this nice turquoise gel paint, and I'm creating a second smile line around the rose gel polish with the turquoise because I was having fun and I thought it looked more interesting like that. And because we are still in winter and snowflakes are still in fashion, I create the tiniest snowflake at the corner of the smile line. I'm coming in with my dotting tool, just creating some dots in a circle, and then with the detailer brush I connect those dots to create a tiny light blue snowflake. Now in this case, for my taste, the snowflake turned out a little bit too subtle, so I mixed in a little bit of dark green with my light blue, and I came in again with my dotting tool and my detailer brush in order to have the snowflake a bit more visible in this case, like I'm showing you here. So again, with my detailer brush, I connect those dots. And yeah, this was the right decision, because like that, the snowflake comes out a bit more clear and nicer for my taste. And this is the finished look already with all three nails. On the right side you see the basic nail with the milky white and the glitters, and I think they turned out so beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.